Welcome to our in-depth guide on navigating the challenges of appealing a removal order while attempting to secure a real ID. Here's what we'll cover: understanding the challenges faced, the essential requirements for obtaining a real ID, how to address document shortages, general advice to maintain your progress, and we'll wrap up with a quiz to test your knowledge. Let's begin by understanding the situation you might be facing. Imagine this scenario. You're appealing a removal order. Unfortunately, this means your green card has been confiscated, and most challenging of all, you don't have the notice to appear document, a crucial piece required for securing a real ID. As a result, this puts another hurdle in the already complex process of maintaining your legal status and identification. Next, we dive into the crucial topic of understanding what a real ID is. The real ID is a form of enhanced identification required for certain federal purposes. It is mandatory for domestic flights and entry into federal facilities. Now, each state has its own set of requirements, but generally speaking, you'll need to provide proof of identity, like a birth certificate or passport, proof of social security number, and proof of residency, such as a utility bill. Let's focus on solutions for the missing notice to appear. Consider the following steps. First, explore alternative documentation by consulting your legal representative or immigration authorities. They might suggest documents related to your appeal, like receipts or proof of filing. Next, if you have a valid U.S. passport, it can serve as a real ID compliant document. Finally, consult with an experienced immigration attorney who can offer personalized guidance and potential solutions based on your case. Now, on to some general but vital advice to strengthen your journey. First, maintain open communication with the immigration authorities, keeping your contact information up to date. Document everything meticulously, from communications to filings, as these records are essential. Lastly, stay informed about the latest on real ID requirements and immigration policies to be prepared for any changes. It's quiz time. Which document can act as a real ID compliant document? Is it a birth certificate, U.S. passport, utility bill, or social security card? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the correct answer in the next section. The correct answer is U.S. passport. If you possess a valid, unexpired U.S. passport, it can serve as a real ID compliant document used for federal identification verification. Let's recap what we've learned. First, understand your current situation and the documents you lack. Familiarize yourself with real ID requirements, and address any missing documentation with creativity and proactive legal assistance. Remember the general advice to maintain communication, document everything, and stay informed. Thank you for watching our video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Also, we'd love to hear your comments and thoughts below.